I'm Rudy Tamarchio, and I'm in Abilene, Texas, home to Tigé Boats, an award-winning water sports manufacturer. Let's have a look inside. Tigé was nice enough to let me tour their factory today, but before I get into the factory, I need some safety gear. That'll do. The first step in the boat building process is lamination, where you build a boat from the outside in. Mold maintenance and preparation of the hull are one of the most important steps of building a boat. Tigé Boats are known for their style, and it all starts right here. All of the paint lines are hand-taped. Every body line and curve also make the boat stronger. Premium grade polyester gel coat is triple sprayed, measured and inspected to achieve 24 millimeters of thickness. That result is a beautiful, durable, lifelong luster from day one. All of Tigé's molds are on spinners for an ease of application, which allow Tigé employees to reach all angles of the boat, whereas competitors leave their molds flat on the floor, which causes inconsistency in the lamination process. Application of the Ashland Gel Coat NPC line gives Tigé the richest, deepest finish in the industry. After that gel coat is applied, Tigé details every paint line with a pinstripe brush for a precise finish. Now, the cure time of a gel coat is what really makes the Tigé Boats finish stand apart from the rest. It's the most important step in their process. Gel coat cures for 24 hours. Then boats are left in the mold for another 4 days. There are hundreds of checkpoints throughout the manufacturing process, but this room is dedicated to making sure gel coat and finish are flawless before moving on to the assembly process. Every boat is inspected with a white light.
Assembly is where literally everything comes together. So we're here right now with the ZX1 hull. The hull and the deck are still separate, and it'll be like that all the way through.
All electronics have a waterproof connection that's designed for the roughest conditions. Every wiring harness is designed specifically for every individual boat that goes through the Tigé manufacturing line. This allows for faster response time in the TAPS 3 surf system. At 10.8 inches, Tigé offers the biggest surf area touchscreen in the industry. It's super intuitive and allows you to control every feature in the boat. All of the dash components are topped off in beautiful billet aluminum and anodized finishes. One of the coolest things that you could do is custom color certain areas for a truly personalized look and feel. Every Tigé model comes standard with an underfloor ballast system, which not only opens up a ton of space under the seats, but also leads to those monster wakes.
These engines are designed specifically for water sports. They run at lower RPMs. They're also close-cooled, which gives you better fuel efficiency.
An engineering feat, the Alpha E2 tower is fully electric. There's no more pulling handles or manually lowering and raising the tower by hand. All you have to do is push a button and the tower will raise and lower in 7 seconds. Board racks, bimini top, LED lighting, and Wet Sounds tower speakers are all integrated seamlessly into the design for simplicity. The Alpha E2 tower is extremely sturdy, meaning that there's no rattling noise when you have riders behind you or when you're at top speed looking for the next spot to ride. Tigé's interiors are some of the most luxurious in the industry, and all of the upholstery work is done in-house. They use stain-resistant and puncture-resistant vinyl that really keeps the boat looking brand new for years to come. The 36-ounce vinyl gets laminated onto a 1/4-inch thick piece of foam and then is backed with tri-coat webbing. Combine that with Gore-Tex thread, and it means the upholstery ultimately won't bust, won't tear, and won't fray.
And here we are at the end of the line. Every boat in this room is being detailed and cleaned up to be shipped out to their rightful owners. So after 400 quality tests and meeting up with 200 employees, you see exactly why Tigé is one of the most award-winning brands out there.